Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Another paper bag kitty. This time just that cute little head peeking out. I am going 4 times the speed and voicing over and just getting kitty shapes in. And I do the whole head first because it's more comfortable to do it that way. And then I will add the bag later. Use some triangles to help me find where the nose goes. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or what you want to learn about cat drawing. Help us build this great community of crazy cat artists. I just love it when there's one ear going one way and the other one's going another way. It just helps add to the character. Going 8 times the speed now, really speeding up this drawing to get it moving. Just mucking here and there. Those tabby stripes. Tabby stripes help add character. As do all the little lines that you add. Just changing a line slightly can really change the expression. And in this one I want those eyes just bugging out because Kitty's obviously in the middle of playing. A bit of shading to help the paper bag look like a paper bag. I don't know why it's going up and down like that. I guess my camera was moving. Just touches here and there and everywhere. Felt like that the kind of eye corner was heading in the wrong direction, so I was tweaking things up a bit there. And of course, this is a rough sketch and a learning experience. If I were to do like a watercolor or something of this, I would probably do another drawing and fix what I thought needed fixing. Just going to slow it down again here to 4 times the speed while I add some whiskers. I like it. We'll tone down where they come out of the face. That's what erasers are for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.